Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss a new topic. Let us move on to the topic. Have you heard about sales promotion? Yes, of course, you have heard about it. We all know sales promotion refers to short-term use of incentives or other sales promotional activities that stimulate the customer to buy the product. Sales promotion is the connecting link between personal selling and advertising. Sales promotion is considered as a special selling efforts to accelerate sales. Have you ever heard about what a marketer does to increase sales? Today, we are going to discuss the various techniques used by the marketer to promote sales. The most important sales promotion techniques used by the marketer are rebates, discount, refund, product combinations, quantity gift, instant draws on gift, lucky draw, usable benefit, full finance at 0%, sampling, and contest. Let us discuss each in detail. First one is rebate. As per these techniques, the product is made available to the customer at a specified price less than its original price. The amount deducted from the original price is termed as rebate. For example, a particular manufacturer offered to sell a particular brand of car at a discount of rupees 10,000 for a limited period. So, in these techniques, companies offer product at a price less than its original value. Companies usually provide rebate for a limited period of time. Also, companies use these techniques for stock clearance. So, simply we can say that rebate is a deduction on the price to make it attractive to the buyer to buy on special occasion. Second one is discount. Under this sales promotion techniques, a certain percentage of price is reduced from MRP at the time of sale. The deducted portion is called discount. For example, Bata Shoe Company offers discount up to 50% for their shoes. Like rebate, companies offer discount for a limited period of time. Generally, this techniques is applied in special seasons like festivals, school reopenings, or any other such special occasions. And also to clear stock at the end of a particular season, companies offer their product at a discounted price. So, under this sales promotion techniques, certain percentage of price is reduced from the price of the product to attract the customer. You may feel that rebate and discount are one and the same, but there is a small difference between these two techniques. Under rebate, deduction is given to the customer as amount, while in discount it is as percentage. Third important sales promotion techniques is refund. Here, the seller offers refund of a part of price collected from the buyer on production of proof of purchase. Say, on return of empty foil or wrapper. For example, Lace company offers a refund of rupees 2 on producing the empty pack of lace. So, under these sales promotion techniques, the seller offers to refund a part of price collected from the buyer on production of proof of purchase. Another important sales promotion techniques is product combination. Under this sales promotion techniques, offering another product as gift along with the purchase of a product. A pen drive is free with the purchase of a digital camera, or half kilogram of rice is free with the purchase of a bag of atta, or a free toothbrush with the purchase of a toothpaste, or a free mug with the purchase of a Bonvita. All these are examples of product combination techniques. So, product combination is a free offer of an article along with a product to make the buyers to buy more or for repeated buying. Another important sales promotion techniques is quantity gift. Here, the marketer offers additional quantity of product along with the quantity purchased by the buyer. For example, 25% extra toothpaste in a packet of 200 gram of toothpaste. 100 gram extra with 1 kilogram pack of tea, 40% extra offer on shaving creams, buy two get one free offer of a market of shirts. These sales promotion techniques are commonly used by marketers of toiletry products. It may be an extra quantity of the same product at the same price, either inside or outside the packet. Like rebate and discount, here also we feel that quantity gift and product combination are one and the same. Under quantity gift, offering extra quantity of the same product as gift, while in product combination, offering another product as gift. Another most important sales promotion technique is instant draws and gift. Under this method, a customer is asked to scratch a card on the purchase of a product and the name of the product inscribed thereupon, which is immediately offered to the customer as a gift. For example, on buying a car, when the card is scratched, product like TV, refrigerator, computer, dinner set, t-shirt, mixer grinder, etc. are offered to the customer as a gift. Another important sales promotion technique is lucky draw. Under these techniques, while buying a product, a coupon is given to the customer, which is to be deposited in a box at the business premises by filling the name and phone number. Either at the end of the day or after a particular period of time, the winner is selected by lucky draw method. For example, the offer of a bathing soap to win a gold coin on lucky draw coupon, or free petrol on purchase of certain quantity of petrol from given petrol pump, or lucky draw coupon on purchase of garments and win a car offer. Next one is usable benefit. Under these techniques, coupons are distributed among the consumer on behalf of the producer. Coupon is a kind of certificate telling that the product mentioned therein can be obtained at a special discount. It means that if a customer has a coupon of some product, he will get the discount mentioned therein whenever he buys it. Possession of a coupon motivates the consumer to buy the product even when he has no need of it. Such coupons are published in newspapers and magazines. Seller collect the coupons from the customer and get the payment from the company that issues the same. For example, purchase goods worth rupees 5,000 and get a holiday package worth rupees 2,000, or get a discount voucher for accessories on apparel purchase of rupees 1,000 and above. Next one is full finance at 0%. This is another important sales promotion techniques used by the marketer. Under this method, the product is sold and money received in installment at 0% rate of interest. The seller determines the number of installments in which the price of the product will be recovered from the customer. No interest is charged on these installments. Marketers of consumer goods, automobiles, etc. offer easy financing scheme. So, no need to pay any amount or full amount at the time of purchase, but in easy installment without interest. Next one is sampling. Free samples of the product are distributed to the consumer through door delivery or by post or attached to other products. This technique is used mostly in case of products of daily use like washing powder, tea, toothpastes, etc. Samples helps the consumers to experience the utility of the product. If it satisfies them, they buy it, and in this way sales are increased. Product sampling helps the marketer to introduce new product or new brand in the market. So, sampling refers to offering a free sample of a product to the customer on the purchase of some other products or journal. Next and last important sales promotion techniques is contest. Some producers organize contest for consumers with a view to popularizing their products. Consumers who buy the firm's products are given an opportunity to participate in the contest. Consumers taking part in the contest are asked to answer some very simple questions on a form and forward the same to the company. Result is declared on the basis of all the forms received by a particular date. Attractive prizes are given to the winners of the contest. Today we have discussed about various sales promotion techniques. Such sales promotion techniques includes rebate, discount, refund, quantity gift, product combination, instant draws and gifts, lucky draw, usable benefit, full finance at 0%, sampling and contest. Hope you all understand the topic. Thank you. Thank you all.